Hi, I'm Michela from Lifelong Learners.
In the rolling hills of Piedmont, where vineyards give way to mountains, to destinations await the curious traveler, Vicoforte's majestic sanctuary and the vibrant city of Cuneo. The Santuario della Natività di Maria rises with elegance and grace, a Baroque masterpiece whose dome dominates the horizon. This is not just a church, it is a triumph of faith and architecture. The sanctuary's dome is the largest elliptical dome in the world. Its dimensions defy imagination, a true feat of 18th century engineering, and its painted frescoes swept heavenward in dazzling color. Inside, more than 6,000 square meters of frescoes unfold above the faithful, depicting scenes of Marian devotion. It is as though the heavens themselves opened above the congregation. The sanctuary is also home to the tombs of the Savoy dynasty, including King Vittorio Emanuele III and Queen Elena, reminders of Italy's royal past resting in sacred silence. For centuries, Vicoforte has drawn pilgrims seeking blessings and awestruck travelers marveling at its beauty. It remains a living place of worship and devotion. From Vicoforte, a short journey takes us to Cuneo, a city shaped like a wedge, Cuneo in Italian, framed by the snow-capped maritime Alps. Cuneo's beating heart is Piazza Galimberti, one of Italy's largest squares. Its elegant arcades, cafes, and sweeping symmetry create an atmosphere both majestic and welcoming. On market days, the piazza bursts with life. Stalls brim with Piemontese specialties, artisan cheeses, mountain honey, truffles, and roasted chestnuts. It's a feast for the senses. Cuneo's arcaded streets stretch for kilometers, offering shelter from sun and rain. They invite leisurely walks where history, commerce, and daily life blend harmoniously. No visit is complete without tasting Cuneese rum, rich chocolate filled with rum cream, once beloved by Ernest Hemingway. A small bite, a big tradition. From the soaring dome of Vicoforte to the lively charm of Cuneo, this corner of Piedmont offers travelers a journey through faith, history, and flavor, an authentic Italian experience far from the crowds.